Not gonna lie, I just remembered that I can record my own voice, just not yours. Girl, I'm right here. Ah. Ooh, the purple's out. Ooh. He's right there. Girl, he's gonna go in the vent. Girl, he's gonna go in the vent. Girl, he's gonna go in the vent. Yes, I saw him. He went over there and then he started to walk over here. Wait. I thought that was you. I got so scared. I got so confused. I thought that was you. So then I turned around multiple times thinking it was you. Wait, oh my god, bro. I didn't turn up. I didn't realize I had a microphone. Wait, did he get it?
Oh my god, my butt cheeks are squeezed together. No, we're not going back there again. No, we're not going back there again. My mom is just making fun of me now when I said chicken mom.
Okay, I need to check. Holy smokes. Where's the chicken? Thanks. The pickles. It's under the stove. It's under the stove. The phone, I can't answer it.
I'm just turning my watermelon to juice. So.
Oh my gosh. The purple's out.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
Look on the camera.
Serious.
He's on camera 1.
Oh. Papa Jonah's out.
Hey, you better not be going the wrong way. I mean,
Oh.
Is that him?
Yeah, that's him. Yeah, that's him. I know. Oh. Well, we're just making it right. Maybe.
He's over.
I'm making it right. I'm just making it right.
He's right there. He's right there.
Yeah.
Chucky is out. Chucky's out. Chucky's out. Chucky's out. The pajama's back. The rat's coming. The rat's over there. The rat is over there. The rat's in the camera.
The window's window?
The rat's in the camera.
To wash the cameras? I gotta wash them? Girl, I have like one side of watermelon and one side of juice. What's the best side on juice?
What?
Oh my god! I feel like you want the bigger piece. You want the bigger piece? Okay.
Whenever you talk to the mouth, your mouth moves.
Look at this. It's all juice right here.
Where did that go? After that, gone. Okay. The chicken is gone. The chicken's gone.
Really?
Yeah, the chicken's gone. I don't know where it went.
Honestly?
I go.
I felt that blow my clothes.
Wait, what? Oh. The dog right
I hate
there.
the dog. That dog scared me.
Don't mind
The
me.
dog makes me like get a heart attack.
Oh. Now you're higher.
My dinner.
Woo!
Yeah.
My dog was getting didn't you say that you
You want
had
me to?
Wait, don't you have a key, right? You have the key or
You want
no?
me to distract them?
Do you have the keys?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't have the key.
Oh. Okay. Okay, it's my time to run. It's my time to challenge. They're not moving. Sorry. Bro, I'm up. Oh my god. Please. Oh. Bro, I'm feeling like a dang horror film. Okay, you do you. You do.
I didn't say nothing bad.
Yeah. Hey, where is it?
Warning when I said respond.
Let's play tag. We're playing tag now. Anyone else want to join?
Oh my god.
I'm like, anyone else want to join? And then he just tried to kill me. He just wanted to. Oh my. Wait, is there two? Is there two out? Okay, okay, run back to the office.
Like two.
Run back to the office. Run back.
Mother language.
Come on.
Get back from talking. I died in school.
He's just gonna come. He's gonna come over here. We're gonna run. I'm running away. Do you have it? Stop, I'm looking. Okay.
Wow. Can you bring mine downstairs? I can't.
Okay, I got it. Fuck. Let's go to the movie theater. Come on.
John, you don't have to do this. Look,
We're just staring at the
I'm
wall.
sorry for keeping you here. Now, can you let me go? John, please. No!
Crash me.
What?
Oh, the thing is.
Yeah.
And I finished music. I don't even know if I can have that thing. 2, 8, 3.
Bruh, how can you do it?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we can do it now. That's it.
I'm scared. So I'm gonna crash out. One might be coming.
What do you mean? I can hear the echo. Okay, let me go get this real quick. Okay, come on. Come here, Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. It's not Winnie the Pooh. It's not Winnie or Poopy. Poopy. Hey. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh. That was stressful. That was cool.
Wait, what is this going to the vent?
Huh?
When can I cross the vent?
Ooh, what do you mean? Oh, the macaroni. Oh, macaroni.
Watching, huh? I knew you'd come looking. They always do. They always send someone to clean up the mess.
Don't worry, I'm not going to the vent.
I tried to warn, holding back and setting shutting, but nobody listened. Guess it's easier to throw the freak in the suit and lock the door. You're walking the same halls now, breathing the same air. Do you ever wonder why it's so quiet at night? Why they really lock this place down? I stayed behind. I'm the last one. And if you're watching this, so are you.
Yeah.
Let's see how long you last.
Yeah.
I'm scared. Oh.
Okay, can you take that? Because, like, it's so different or something.
Wait, it's a little Okay, it is.
Yeah, I don't know.
I need help. How do I get the big pig out of the way?
Huh? What do you mean?
Tell me. Oh my god, you scared me.
Get what?
How do we get Big George out there?
Oh, I already got the bear trapped in a room. We're good. Come on.
Where?
In the storage room.
Oh, don't you lie. I'm scared. You know how scared I am.
Yeah. Oh.
7, 8.
No. Wait, you want to see something? Wait. You want to see something?
Sure.
Okay. Come.
Well, I don't want to see
The bear's in that room. Not this again. Oh no. Huh? Ah. Oh my god. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this. Let me take one more round. 1, 2, 1. Hey, drag queen. Wait! No! Well, let's go. One night, bye.
Go Kirby's out.
Yes. The chicken's out, 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 the chicken's out. Run, 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 run.
Girl! Cat!
Oh, hold on. Oh, he's coming down.
Oh my god.
Wait, Wait, stay in the elevator.
Go down.
Not for
Go on. No, you're not.
Maybe I gotta get close to
Getting
them.
on? The hell?
Yay!
Girl, where? Who killed me?
I don't know. The chicken's right next to the door. The chicken, I gotta go over here. Bro. Okay, I gotta go up and kill myself. So the chicken is thinking I am some type of food. Okay, well I made it up. Don't need father. I need what? I need to come now. Stop. Stop.
I'm Chuckey.
Stop. Hey, there's something out here. There's something out here. Stop.
Jones. Jones.
Come on. I'm ready to leave. Oh,
I died.
I just saw you die. Oh, that's crazy. I'm just watching him walk away. The guilt in his face. Okay, come back. Okay, wait, I'm gonna come down. Hold up, I'm gonna come down.
Girl.
Hey, why'd I laugh like that? Wait, come down here.
Okay.
And sit on this.
I don't want. I'm scared.
There you go. I'll sit on it next. Come over here. I'll sit on it next. wait, I'll sit on it now. Let me on. I want to go on. Look at me. Yay! I don't know. I want to sit with Bob. Chuckey? Is it? No. Okay. Bob, I need looking something's out. Oh, manager. Okay. Go to the manager's room.
He's got the key to the emergency exit in there. Get to it and get out of here. Leave me. It broke my legs.
My bad. I think cause like I couldn't see my character where it was moving. So I think I accidentally went to the gate. Where are you? Come to the manager's room. I'm gonna distract Alot. I'm gonna distract Alot. Oh my god, not that song again. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Picture again?
All right. Oh my god.
Wait. Okay, wait. Go, girl. Go. Oh my god. Oh. He's on his rail. Wait. Big Chungus. Wait. Grimace, we can talk this out, right? Wait. By the way, the rat's in there still. He went back right after you died.
Wow.
I got stuck. Finish. Finish. Dun, 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 dun. We're planning to get back on the stage. Please turn it on. Get back on the stage, bud. Please go back on the stage. Bro. He's hesitating to go back on the stage. Just go back on it. Get back on it. Just go back on it. The dog is chasing me! Stop! The dog is chasing me! The dog is chasing me! Stop! Stop! Oh, the dog is chasing me! Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop it! I can't stop! 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 The dog is chasing me! Stop! He's the scariest of them all! Stop! 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 No! 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 Stop! Stop! The dog is chasing me! Stop! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't open the chat right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I won't open the chat right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo. Okay. Okay, open the chat for a second. Okay. Let me know something. When I'm kind of expanded, the dog and the purple guy is chasing me. And the dog is fast, and I'm just blinking. Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna be distracted. Why is the dog so fast? Okay, help me. The dog is chasing me. I don't know about the purple one.
Oh, it's getting faster.
Yeah. We don't need to turn You don't want dog got me.
Girl, I saw that. Caught in 4K. Wait, how do we get it? How do I check it?
Good, Pinky. Get back on the stage.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. Wait,